Okay.
So the third one, the total surface area of cube is 54 centimeters square. What is the length of its side? Means TSA is 54. So TSA of cube is actually 6a square. 6a square is equal to 54. A square is equal to 6. So that's it. 54 by 6, which is 6. A is equal to 9. A square is equal to 9. So A will be square root of 9, which is 3 centimeter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Side is length of the side they are asking, which side is only
Sir, I
nothing but
sent you the picture. Did you see it?
yes, Maisha. This is correct. So then the same way, next question, find the surface area. Surface area, if they say simply means it is total surface area. Surface area of the wooden box, which is in the shape of a cube. If the edge, so the different words which they use for side is edge. Edge means it is nothing but side only. So if they ask you to find the edge of the cube, means it is nothing but side of the cube only. So they said that if the edge of the cube is 27 centimeter, find the surface area of wooden box. Means what? Here, fourth one, they gave the side A as 27 centimeter. So they're asking surface area. Surface area of cube is 6a square. So 6 into 27 into 27. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 6 into 27 into 27. Yes, Maisha. So I think 6 into 27 into 27 will become how much? 4374 it will come. Multiplication after multiplication. So since it's just multiplication, I finished it quickly because we can save some can save some time. That's why 4374 centimeters. Okay. So this is the surface area of the wooden box, which is in the shape of the cube. 6a
Sir,
square
I
is the
didn't
formula.
understand the question actually. Find the surface of.
Surface area of wooden box, Maisha. For surface area of wooden box is nothing but total surface area. If they simply mention surface area means it is total surface area of wooden
Yes, sir.
box, and the wooden box is in the shape of cube. So and
Yes,
if the
sir.
edge of the box is 27, edge of the box means what?
So
Cube
if they
side
are
is,
giving us side.
yes, Maisha. In the before question they gave area, in this question they gave side. Before question area is given, so we equated to 54 and we found out the side. Here side is only given, we will directly keep it in that 6a square. 6 into 27 into 27 over.
So
That will be the surface
27
area.
square.
Yes,
TSA
Maisha.
equals
6
27
into,
square.
no, 6 into 27 square. 6a square is
Yes,
the
sir.
formula.
6 into 27.
27 square. So 6 into 27 into 27, we'll get it as 4374 centimeter square.
27
Okay.
into 27.
Then fifth question. Shall we go to fifth question? So Pranavi, Maisha, once you read the fifth question, Maisha.
Yes, sir. So find the cost of painting the all round outer surface of the box with lid 60 centimeter long, 40 centimeter wide and 30 centimeter height at 50 p per 20 centimeter.
Square means cost of painting. Painting will be done all around the outer surface of the box. Means what? TSA completely they are covering it with paint. So for that, how much area to be painted we want to know means first we have to find out the TSA of the lid, that is box. Then what did they say? They didn't actually particularly they didn't mention us to find out the TSA. We should understand that we should find out the surface area of the box. Why we should find out surface area of the box? Because they said find the cost of painting all around the outer surface of the box with a lid 60 centimeter long means this is length. 40 centimeter wide means width. 30 centimeter high means height. Means it is a cuboidal box. They're telling find the cost, they ended it here. Means what the cost is been done at 50 paise per 20 centimeter square. Means every 20 centimeter square there 50 paise money is happening. So what will be the cost for painting this entire box is a question.
So, sir, we
So
have to
for
use that formula
So first we'll use surface area formula to find out how much area is there actually to be painted. Okay, because they're painting all around the box. So for that, first we'll find out how they didn't mention us to find out the area of the box, but we should only get the idea. So we should first find here L is given as, if the one length is given as 60 centimeter, breadth is given as 40 centimeter, height is given as 30 centimeter. So we have to first find out TSA. TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into LB is 60 into 40, 2400 plus BH plus 40 into 30, 1200 plus LH is 60 into 30, 1800. So I directly did because little bit we have to save the time. So LB, just I multiplied LB value, BH value, LH value directly. How I did it as it goes to 24 to 0. 4 3s are 12 and 2 zeros. Then 30 into 60, 3 6 are 18 and 2 zeros. Like that. Then 2
Sir,
into
what is B here? 400 or 40?
40 centimeter measure. So 2 into 2400 plus
H
1200 is
is
3600.
H is 30.
Yes, Manisha.
And then TSA equals 2 into
Yes, they
LB.
didn't ask us to find. We should only get the idea because the reason is all around the outer surface of the box they're painting. All around the outer surface of the box means what? Complete TSA, total surface area they're painting. So how much area they're painting we are finding out first. So 2 into 5400, which is
10,800.
yes, Pranavi. So 5400 into 2. So this much centimeter square of area they are painting in total. Now cost. Cost how to find out? They are telling 20 centimeter square cost is 50 paise. How many we have? 10,800 centimeter square cost will be X. Cross multiplied. So 20x is equal to 50 into 10,800. X is equal to 10,800 into 50 by 20. So some teachers will directly do this in the class as they whatever area we get here that they'll multiply it with 50 by 20 directly. That how we will get is like this. 50 by 20 is actually 1 centimeter square
Sir,
cost.
why
Right?
did we take 20 by 50 here? Sir,
Yes, Maisha. Where Maisha?
sir, why didn't we take 20 and 50?
Okay, Maisha. Actually, they're finding out. They're asking us main thing in this question is Maisha cost. Cost of painting. The cost of painting is done at 50 paise per 20 centimeter square.
Oh,
So
and we are
we are
getting
finding out
1080 centimeters.
10800 centimeter square in total. For that, how much is the cost we are finding out? The cost is mentioned for every 20 centimeter square 50 paise. 10,800 centimeter square is how much? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is unitary method kind of thing. Or some teachers directly they'll do 50 by 20. This step they'll directly write it. How we will get that is from here only. 50 by 20 is actually the cost per 1 centimeter square. 50 pies, 20 centimeter square, 50 pies means 1 centimeter square is 50 by 20. So 1 centimeter square, if you know, 10,800 centimeter square will be 10,800 into 50 by 20. That is how we will get that. So you also can directly remember this point. Whenever they give here 50 per centimeter square, something like that, directly 50 by 20, you can save the time of this. Once you understood it, you can save the time of this. You need not write this
Okay,
once you
sir.
understood it. Yes, Manisha. So here per centimeter square means directly 50 only we should multiply. But per 20 centimeter square, no. So first 50 by 20 we should do because 50 by 20 is per 1 centimeter. You will get it per 1 centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square, if you know 10,800 centimeter square will be 10,800 into 50 by 20. So here, then next we'll cut it that numbers and so 0, 0, 5,
Sir, I'm getting
1,
27 0 0 0 3 zeros. 2730.
0, 0, 0, paise. So answer mostly we will not understand if it is this much paise. No, we'll convert it to rupees. So paise to rupee means we have to divide it with 100. So x is equal to by 100 if you do, two zeros will get cut by 100 if you do it. Suppose 2 zeros will get 270
So
rupees.
270
Will
rupees.
Yes, sir.
get.
270.
So Harvansha, Maisha and Pranav, any doubt in this? What we did is they didn't ask us
First,
to find out the tier.
can we first like make the 50 paisa into rupees?
Yes, Maisha, but why I didn't do that is decimal will get 50 by 100.
Oh, okay, sir.
0.5. So to avoid that, in the last I converted that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Maisha. And here you can remember if suppose 50 paise per centimeter square means directly you have to multiply 10,800 into 50 because per centimeter square means per 1. 50 by 1 you will get. If you do this also, you'll get here 50 by 1. So 50 per 20, so 50 by 20 came. 50 per 30 centimeters means 50 by 30 will come. Like, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mahisha. So units also we should check here area here, these values are in centimeters and this also in centimeter square. Sometimes this will be given meter square means we need to find out the area in meter square and then we have to do it. Anyways, that question will be there. I will tell you. So Mahisha and Pranav and Hanunsha, any doubt in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir, I understood.
Yeah, okay, Mahisha. Then we'll go to the next one, sixth question. Then Pranav will also lead the question sixth one. You'll
Uh,
be able to read Pranav.
yes, sir. The dimensions of an oil tin are 26 centimeters into 26 centimeter into 45 centimeter. Find the area of the tin sheet required for making 20 such tins. If 1 square meter of the tin sheets costs rupees 10, find the cost of tin used for these 20 tins.
Sir, is it like the same fifth
Yeah.
one?
Nice. Yes, Maisha. The only here it is same like that only. The only thing extra is they are not just using one oil tin. Means one there is not just one box. Like that they are making 20. Means 20
Oh,
tins TSA. Means in before question, this question difference, two differences are there. One is painting is done there. Here instead of painting, they're making the box. For making the box also first they have to take a plain sheet and they'll convert it to cuboidal shape. So find the area of tin sheet. Plain sheet means what? First, before making any box, like cardboard will buy, no?
sir, after we find out the area of the oil tin, we multiply it by 20, and then we
Yes,
find the
Maisha.
square sheet cost, right?
Maisha. Actually, what is the area of the tin sheet required is a question, Maisha. So for that, first the area of tin sheet required for one oil tin is nothing but TSA of it, and 20
So
such tins
over
means will
here,
be into 20.
LBH is 26, 26, 45, right?
Yes, Maisha. L is 26 centimeter, B is 26 centimeter, height is 45 centimeter. So we have TSA. Why we are finding out TSA? Area of tin required for one box. Area of tin for one box is nothing but TSA of TSA of the oil tin. So 20 such tins means 20 into that we should do. 2 into 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into LB, 26 into 26. Plus, we'll directly write that because you will get 676. BH, 26 into 45.
1170.
Yes, right. LH, 45 into 26. Actually, these multiplications also I should give time for you to do because in exam you have to do. So, but I'm going little fast because we have syllabus as of now. But I think you will not make mistakes with these multiplications. So 45 into next one is 45
3016.
into 26.
26. 1170.
This is also 110. So then 2 into this.
2 into 67, 676 plus.
Yes, Manisha. This will be 2 into 3016. It will be 6032 centimeter
Oh,
square. This is for just one box. Okay. This is just for one.
6032, sir.
Yes, Manisha. This is just
So
for making one box.
Yes, sir.
So now,
6032
6032,
into 20
20.
because we need to find for 20 boxes.
yes, Pranavi and Manisha. So here, find the area of tin for making 20. So TS sheet
One
for
lakh 20,640.
tin sheet for 20 boxes is equal to 20 into 6032.
Got it, sir.
Yes, Pranavi, yes, Sarvesha. We got,
Yes, sir.
after multiplying this in calculation, means I got 12064. Yes. Sorry, this is the area in total,
Yeah.
centimeter square. So, Maisha, you also said this one only, no?
Yes, sir. 120640 centimeters square.
Yes, Maisha. So now first part of the question is finished. This till
Now
here it is
cost.
finished. Now they said
Find the
if 1 square meter is 10 rupees, find the cost of 20 tins. So here this is where you should be careful now. Area is in centimeter square or meter square.
sir centimeter square.
Here they gave the cost per
Meter square. So we have to do it
meter square.
in meter.
So we'll convert this centimeter square to meter square. So we
Sir,
cannot remember
can
so
we
many conversions.
convert 1 meter square to centimeter square? It will be easier.
But but Maisha, if suppose if you convert that 1 square meter means you will get 10,000 actually, because 1 meter is how many centimeter?
Oh, okay.
100. 1 meter is
Uh,
100 centimeter. So every conversion we will not remember. So if you remember, so many times in previous classes, where in South class also I said this square meter to centimeter square
Sir, I
means
didn't understand
we
the second part of the question.
is Pranavi. So 1 square meter cost is 10 rupees Pranavi it seems. They're asking find the cost of tin used for 20 tins. Means this is the area of tin which is required now, Pranavi, in total to make 20 boxes.
Yes, sir.
Before making the box, actually they'll buy some plain sheets, Pranavi. Then they'll convert into box. This is the entire area of the sheets required for them to make 20 boxes. Okay. Now
Yes.
they're asking us to find the cost. So suppose for example, Pranavi, if you're buying any cardboard or anything for some experiment, when we go to shop, that person will say 1 square meter this much like that, or 1 centimeter square this much like that. Then how much quantity will buy, that much into that he will do and he'll give the item.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Pranavi? So here this much is the area of the sheet and in total required for us. So now to find out the cost, they gave 1 square meter cost is 10 rupees.
So we
One
need to
square meter.
convert this into square meter and
Then multiply with 10
find
over.
out.
Because 1 square meter is this much, here whatever square meter we get, that into that 10 will give us the total cost. What is the difference between this and previous one cost? Here 50 by 20 I said no. Here 10 by 1 you can do. 10 by 1 means it is 10 only. That's why I'm not doing that. Directly 1 rupee, like one ice cream cost is 20 rupees. 5 ice creams means 5 into 20 like that.
Yes, sir.
In this question. In before question, they didn't give for 1 centimeter square. They gave for 20 centimeter square. So that's the reason why 50 by 20 came there. 50 by 20 is the 1 centimeter square cost actually. But I said how we got that 50 by 20. 20 centimeter square is 50 paise. 1 centimeter
Sir,
square will
what
be 50
is
by 20.
1,20,640 in meters?
Meter square, Maisha. So this conversion you have to remember it like this, Maisha. Meter to centimeter. What we will do?
Multiply.
Centimeter to meter
Divide.
with
What, sir? With
divide with how much, Maisha?
100.
1 by 100, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, you have to remember like this. Centimeter square means 1 by 100 square. Means what? You have to divide with 10,000. 100 square means 10,000. So this is because you cannot remember so many conversions. This is the way you have to remember. So now I want to convert this to a 1206402 meter square. What should I do, Pranavi, now?
So
120,640 by uh
I want to
by
convert this to
1,000.
meter square, Pranavi.
huh?
Sir, 120,640 by 1,000.
1,000, Maisha.
1,000,
Anyone know?
10,000, 10,000.
10,000. So why, Pranavi, 10,000?
Sir, what? I couldn't hear you properly.
Now I want to convert this to meter square, Pranavi. This
Into
thing.
1 by 10,000.
Why, Pranavi, into 1 by 10,000?
Because we need to convert
1
it
by
to
1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. So this is centimeter square. So 1 by 100 square we should do.
yes, sir. So 1 by 10,000 because we need to convert it into
Simply division with 10,000.
yes.
Okay, Pranavi. So Harvansha, any doubt, Harvansha, in this? Actually, I'll tell students to remember like this, Harvansha, because we cannot remember so many conversions. Centimeter square to meter square to centimeter. That many we cannot remember. So the main conversion we should remember. Centimeter to meter, we will mainly use it every time. Division with 100. So centimeter square means division with 100 square, like that. Similarly, centimeter cube means division with 100 cube. In volume questions, you'll get centimeter cube. I think every one of you understood the point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay, Pranav. So my shine, Haran shine, hello, my shine, Haran shine,
No, sir.
okay, Maisha. I think Harivansha left the meet. Oh my god, I didn't see. Hello, Harivansha, when you left the meet, Harivansha?
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. I was just about to text you. 2 minutes back, I left.
Oh, okay, Maisha. You heard this explanation, Maisha?
Yes,
Harivansha?
yes. Yes.
Maisha. Because so division with 10,000 is because of centimeter square to meter square. Now 0 cut. Actually, if you remember centimeter to meter, Harivansha, just centimeter square to meter square means centimeter to meter is by 100. Centimeter square to meter square is by 100 square, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, Harivansha. So 0 cut and how much? Three decimals if you shift it. Here,
Yes, sir.
12.064 meters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now final step. Final step is what? This is in total sheet in meter square. Now 1 square meter cost is 10 rupees. One ice cream is 5 rupees. 5 ice creams means
Into
5 into 5,
10.
like that.
12.064 into 10.
Yes, Manisha, like that. Final total cost is equal to 12.064 into 10,
Into 10.
which is 120.64 rupees. This time they gave rupees, so answer is no. So
Yes.
just for our confirmation,
120.06.
this measure one decimal it will shift right side into 10. So that's why. So any one of you just for our confirmation once you check the back answer.
So they asked us to find the one for 20 sheets also, right?
Oh, yes, primary forward.
So
So
it's all
here they
correct.
find the cost of the newspaper. Okay, Pranavi. Anyways, actually we multiplied the first itself. We found out the area of 10 sheets. No, sorry, 20 sheets. No,
Yes, sir.
so that is the reason why we got this is the final answer. Means First, 1 box TSA we found out, and then I found out 20 boxes TSA already, 20 tins. Yes, no? So this area,
Yes, sir, but
anyways,
we
is
still
20
need to
tins.
find the cost, right?
Yes, Pranavi, because 20 tins area is already covered in the answer. So cost will be that only, no? Because one tin into it is this area is for 20 tins, no, Pranavi. 12640 centimeters
Yes, sir,
square.
but then the
So
cost is only
20
for 10, right? So,
cost is no, Pranavi. Cost the 10 rupees is for what? 10 rupees is 1 square meter cost. 1 square meter.
yes, sir.
1 square meter is 10 rupees, Pranavi. So like that, how many square meter we got for 20 tins? 12.064. I'll once again explain, Pranavi, from the starting.
Okay, sir.